These are 20 of my favorite apps that are actually worth being on your home screen. I made sure to get a good mix of productivity boosters, creativity apps, and games. Let's jump in. Focus Friend is a focus timer, but instead of just staring at a boring countdown, you get a little bean buddy who knits things while you work. Every session you complete gives you socks that you can use to buy decorations for your bean's house. You can even try decorations on in the rooms before you buy them. It's satisfying to see how much your focus actually pays off. This isn't a Pomodoro timer, so you can do as many or as few sessions as you want. It's really flexible and it's great if you're struggling to stay focused. 𝗏𝗏 is a free note-taking app where you can make really aesthetic notes. There's an impressive selection of paper templates, plus tons of free templates for to-do lists and planners, customizable notebook covers, and useful free sticker sets. It's got built-in customizable regular and Pomodoro timers, and a scientific calculator so you never have to leave the app while you study. You can import your own PDF templates, and I imported my Hyperlink digital planner and it worked perfectly. If you're into digital art, ArtZet is worth checking out. It's got hyper-realistic paper textures and art tools, pencils, watercolors, oils that actually feel and blend like the real thing. It's really easy to use, but somehow it's still a genuinely powerful app to make art in. Whether you're doing quick sketches or full paintings, this app makes it easy to create amazing digital art. Quick disclaimer, all these apps are free at the time of filming this video, but they might change in the future. On to the next app. You've probably seen this next one in a lot of aesthetic cleaning and desk makeover videos. 𝗕𝗂𝘀 is a minimal aesthetic clock that's perfect for displaying on your desk. It has clean themes to pick from. Beyond just telling time, it doubles as a Pomodoro and a regular timer. You can set alarms, and you can turn it into a home screen widget. It's perfect to make any area of your home more aesthetic. I personally use it as a countdown for when I do chores. Speaking of aesthetic, iScreen has some of the best widgets I've seen. They've got picture widgets, interactive games, water and habit trackers, plus tons of cute decorations to round out your setup. A lot of the widgets can even be unlocked just by watching an ad. There's a theme in here for pretty much any aesthetic you're into. I actually have a full video on how to customize your iPad with widgets up on my channel. I'll link it below so you can check it out. If you love coloring, 𝗵𝗡𝗍 is an infinite coloring book, and it's one of the most unique coloring apps I have tried. They're also the sponsor of today's video. Every page has hidden pictures tucked inside it that you can only see by zooming in. So what looks like one scene is actually like 5 scenes stacked inside each other. You can also color inside or outside the lines. It has ASMR sounds you can turn on or off to make it cozier. And there are multiple art styles to choose from, like cartoon scenes, mandalas, and cozy little pattern designs. So there's genuinely something for every mood. I also love how easy it is to adjust your tools, and the pre-made color palettes take away all of the color picking anxiety of those color wheels. So if you've been wanting to start coloring or looking for a new coloring app, go give this one a try. I'll link it for you below. Next up is Notion, which is a fully customizable workspace. Think of it like a blank canvas where you build your own system instead of following someone else's format. I use mine to weekly plan, track finances, and idea dump for videos using a custom template I made myself. There are also free templates from other creators if you don't want to start from scratch. I'm actually dropping a Notion tutorial soon. If you like iPad and productivity videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Daily Bean is an icon-based journal and mood tracker. You just tap through little icons to log your emotions, meals, and activities in seconds. There are also places for you to add pictures and a note for the day, as well as a song. You can also customize the categories to your specific life. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to actually keep a journaling habit, since there's basically no writing required. If you need to design literally anything, Canva's probably already got you covered. I use this for my monthly free wallpapers, all of my YouTube thumbnails, and also to make aesthetic mood boards using images from Pinterest. With how many templates and assets they have, you can get almost any design project done really fast and make it look professional without any design skills. Blinkist is perfect if you want to read more but you never have time. It takes the main points from popular nonfiction books and turns them into short summaries they call blinks, usually under 20 minutes, so you don't have to read the whole book. You can listen to them or read them. They give you a free blink every day that's only available for 24 hours. This is a really easy way to learn while commuting or doing chores. 𝗕𝗄𝗄 is a gamified habit tracker and routine planner. Instead of just checking off a boring list, you earn medals based on how many habits you complete each day, so it's really easy to see your habit progress. There's also a daily mood tracker plus a built-in regular and Pomodoro timer to help you actually stay focused while you work through your habits and routines. They also have really good widgets. If a dirty house makes you stressed, then 𝗕𝗵𝗽 can help with that. This is a gamified chore management app. It keeps track of all your cleaning tasks by room and tells you when each thing needs to be cleaned. The dashboard is such a great way to quickly see which rooms need some love. Each room has its own virtual room. As you complete tasks, you get coins that you can then use to buy furniture to decorate those rooms. The shop changes daily, so there's always new stuff. The Apple Notes app is completely free and does way more than people realize. You can type, write, or draw right in it, make to-do lists, and even generate pictures just from a text description. The writing tools are really impressive. It's perfect for brain dumping or capturing quick ideas the moment they hit you, and there's even a built-in calculator for quick math. 𝗦𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗀𝗀 is a Pomodoro timer, but you get a digital companion named 𝗕𝗵𝗽 and you decorate her apartment. As you complete sessions, more furniture appears and you earn tomatoes to decorate even further. The timer has an animation that plays of 𝗕𝗵𝗽 studying alongside you, so it actually feels like you're studying with someone. Even the breaks have a cute animation. You can customize the music to lo-fi, ambient sounds, and many other options. It's cute, cozy, and genuinely motivating to use. If you're looking for a cozy life sim, you should try out Heartopia. It's kind of like Animal Crossing meets Stardew Valley. You build your dream home, explore hobbies like fishing, gardening, and birdwatching. They give you quests to complete, and there's so much to explore. You can customize your avatar with cute outfits, craft furniture, and just live your best virtual life. You can even own pets in the game. Apple's Freeform is an infinite blank canvas. You can drop in pictures, make really nice mood boards, and brainstorm for projects with total freedom. Type wherever you want, write by hand anywhere on the board, and even add web links directly into your canvas. It's great for working through ideas and planning projects. 𝗦𝗫𝐶𝗪𝗀 is basically a calendar in the form of a list. It's clean, minimal, and built like a planner with tabs for to-do lists, routines, events, and checklists. Set your routine and events once, and they show up automatically on your to-do list tab, where you can also add your own tasks directly. It's basically lists on lists. If that's your main way of organizing yourself, this is a great app for you. Another great drawing app is 𝗕𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗀𝗃. You get professional grade brushes, tools, and filters, including some really realistic paintbrushes, and a lot of extra stuff can be unlocked by simply watching an ad. You can genuinely make some incredible art with this. If you haven't tried CapCut on your iPad, you're missing out. It's got all the same assets as the phone app, just on a much bigger screen with touch and stylus support. That extra space alone means you make way fewer mistakes, and using a stylus makes everything even more precise. You don't need an Apple Pencil either. Any stylus will do. It just makes editing so much better. Rooms is a cozy game where you build, customize, and explore your own interactive 3D rooms. You drag and drop items, change colors, and can even add some sound effects and simple code to create mini-games or interactive stories. Plus, you can browse rooms other players have made, from quiet hideaways to full cafes. Some of the rooms are interactive, and it has a very active community with tutorials to get you started. And that's the full list. Let me know which ones you're downloading and drop your favorite apps in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.